Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation will focus on diagnosing the DTC codes P0979 and P0980 associated with the Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. DTC P0979 indicates a shift solenoid valve C low input issue, while DTC P0980 refers to a shift solenoid valve C high input. Both codes point to a problem in the electrical circuit rather than a mechanical failure within the transmission system itself. The shift solenoid valves are crucial for regulating fluid flow in the transmission, essentially controlling gear shifts for optimal performance. These valves are located within the hydraulic control unit, which manages various functions in the automatic transmission. Understanding these codes and their implications is vital for proper vehicle diagnosis and repair. The shift solenoid valves, particularly C in this context, play an essential role in the automatic transmission of the Honda Pilot. These valves work by regulating hydraulic fluid flow to engage and disengage gears, thereby determining how smoothly and efficiently the vehicle accelerates and decelerates. Located within the hydraulic control unit of the transmission, these solenoids operate based on electronic signals from the Transmission Control Module, TCM. When the TCM detects issues with the input-output of these solenoids, such as low or high inputs, cases represented by DTC P0979 and P0980, it flags these as diagnostic trouble codes. This indicates potential electrical circuit malfunctions rather than mechanical concerns, pointing technicians in a specific direction for troubleshooting. Recognizing the direct impact of these solenoids on vehicle performance emphasizes the importance of timely diagnosis and repair. The possible causes behind DTC P0979 and P0980 predominantly relate to electrical circuit issues within the transmission system. An open circuit in the wiring could indicate that the electrical connection has been severed or compromised, leading to a low input reading. Similarly, a short circuit may cause the system to perceive a high input, potentially resulting in erratic behavior of the shift solenoid. These faults could arise from physical damage, corrosion, or faults in the connectors themselves. Importantly, mechanical failures in the transmission are ruled out as causes for these codes. Understanding these causes helps guide the technician towards a focused inspection of the electrical components instead of the mechanical assemblies, streamlining the troubleshooting process. Symptoms relating to DTC P0979 and P0980 often manifest during operation of the Honda Pilot. Drivers may notice transmission shifting issues, where gears do not engage smoothly or shift as intended. This could also result in delays in gear engagement, which could be confusing and harmful to the overall driving experience. Accompanying these scenarios, dashboard warning lights may illuminate, alerting drivers to a transmission issue. Additional symptoms could include unexpected vehicle behaviors like stalling or difficulty accelerating, indicating that gear changes are not executed correctly. Recognizing these symptoms promptly can be crucial for mitigating more severe transmission problems down the line, stressing the importance of routine diagnostics. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0979 and P0980 involves problem verification. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. Then, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any stored DTCs, clearing the memory for potential reevaluation. Once cleared, turn the vehicle to the off or lock mode. Subsequently, return to on mode and wait for several seconds before checking for any pending or confirmed DTCs again using the HDS. If either DTC reappears, this indicates an ongoing failure that must be addressed in subsequent steps. If neither is present, the issue may be intermittent, warranting further inspection of electrical connections and sensor units. For the second troubleshooting step, focus on checking for open wire issues in the sensor harness connected to the transmission control module, TCM. Begin by ensuring the vehicle is in the off or lock mode before proceeding. Disconnect the TCM subharness 26P connector and the TCN 58P connector to ensure no electrical interference. With these connectors detached, carry out a continuity test between specified test points on both connectors. Starting from the TCM subharness connector to the TCM 58P connector. Essentially, you are looking for continuity, which confirms that there are no open circuits that could be affecting solenoid performance. If continuity exists, it indicates the SHC and VBSOL wires are not compromised. If not, troubleshooting repairs should focus on rectifying the open circuits. In the third troubleshooting step, you will need to examine the wiring for any short circuits. Again, ensure that the vehicle is in off or lock mode and that previous connectors remain disconnected. Perform continuity tests between specified terminals within the TCM 58P connector and check each against the body ground. This test helps in identifying unwanted connections with the ground that could lead to false readings in input from the shift solenoid valves. If continuity indicates a short to ground, immediate repairs are necessary to rectify this wiring fault. However, if tests confirm there are no shorts, you can deduce that the wiring is intact. And the recommended next step would be to replace the hydraulic control unit itself, as it may be defective. After performing the necessary repairs for DTC P0979 and P0980, it's crucial to carry out a final verification of the repairs made. Begin by utilizing the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to check for the presence of any diagnostic trouble codes. Clear DTCs again if any remnants persist, and conduct a test drive to assess the vehicle's shifting performance. Pay attention to any symptoms that may previously indicated issues, like delays or rough shifting. It's important that each function of the transmission works as designed, and no warning lights appear on the dashboard. This final verification step ensures that the repair has rectified the issue accurately and efficiently. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0979 and P0980, implementing regular preventive maintenance is a key strategy. Regular electrical inspections should become a part of vehicle upkeep routines, ensuring that wiring integrity is maintained throughout the lifespan of the vehicle. Inspection of the harness, connectors, and terminals on a consistent basis can help to catch early signs of corrosion, wear, or damage that could lead to problems down the line. Keeping connectors clean and secure can greatly influence the performance of the transmission system, enhancing electrical flow and communication within the circuit. Encouraging good habits towards vehicle maintenance will not only lead to better performance, but will also increase reliability and lifespan, proving beneficial for both the owner and the vehicle. In conclusion, addressing issues related to DTC P0979 and P0980 promptly helps maintain optimal performance of the Honda Pilot's transmission. Understanding the pivotal role of shift solenoid valve C in smooth gear transitions underscores the importance of timely diagnostic and repair actions. The electrical nature of these faults emphasizes the need for careful inspection of circuits and wiring, rather than mechanical transmission problems. Regular diagnostics and preventive maintenance can be instrumental in preempting future DTC codes and ensuring the longevity of the vehicle. Finally, by encouraging sustained attention to these areas, owners can enjoy a more reliable and enjoyable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.